This is the solution for programming assignment 3 of week 9 of the course NPTEL, The Joy of Computing Using Python. The problem statement is saying that the uppercase letters of the English alphabet, for example A, D, O, P, R, have holes in them. So that is this enclosed hole. And characters like C, E, F, K have no holes in them, so they are not enclosed. And B has 2 holes. So we are supposed to make a program where the input is a string and we need to count the number of holes in it. The way we do this is, so for example, we need to check which characters in the alphabets have holes in them. So these don't have holes. R has a hole, Q has a hole, P has a hole, D has a hole. So these alphabets have a hole. So we read the string from the user. We can make an array list of these characters only and check them with each character in the string. If it is similar, we can increase the whole count by 1. And if it is similar to B, we can increase the whole count by 2 since there are 2 holes in B. So make a whole array. We will need a whole count variable to store the count of the holes. So for each character in string, for S in string, so we need to traverse the string character in the array list. So for I in range of length of whole array, that is this array, if S equal to whole array of I. So if the character is equal to, now for first value of I will be A, if it is equal to A, we increase the whole count by 1. So here we can check again, if it is equal to the array list, we can check if it is B. If it is equal to B, we increase the whole count by 2. Else we increase it by 1. And we can print the whole count now. So here the input is ring8 code, the output is 5 because D, R, A, O, D, so there's 5 holes. So in the output there's 5 holes. So you can check this in Swayam. You just need to remove the /n. As you can see, all the test cases are passed. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.